Hey guys, welcome to our unboxing video of the Spartan Locker. The Spartan Locker is a mechanical locking differential designed for off-road use. All the units come with an installation manual to help you install it and a sticker. And as you can see, all the components are press-boarded down to keep them from rattling around in transit. So once you get everything out of the packaging, you'll see that the Spartan Locker is going to comprise of your side gears, your couplers, your alignment pins, the preload springs that go behind them, a hardened crosspin shaft, roll pin, and your installation wires. We'll get to these later. Now, one of the advantages of the Spartan Locker is in the design of the alignment pins. First off, they're much thicker for higher strength. And they also have this little recess hole in the back here. Now for installation, you end up installing that spring there and then compressing it into the coupler. Now using our installation wires that we were talking about earlier, you depress it down, push the wire in, which then holds it into place. And once you get everything installed into the carrier, you just remove that little pin and it allows all the alignment pins to snap back into place, makes installation a breeze. Now a Spartan Locker installs into an open differential. It takes the place of the spider gears, which would normally be located in here. It's made from heat-treated 9310 steel for high strength and has a special design to the teeth to give it longer life. Now the way that the unit works is when you're traveling in a straight line, it's given 100% power to both sides. And when you go to negotiate a turn, one side will unlock. Say that ratcheting sound that you hear there is perfectly normal for the operation of the unit. Now when you're done negotiating the turn, you're back into a straight line. Unit locks up 100% again, giving 100% power both left and the right hand side.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.